टॉप क्वालिटी और कंसिस्टेंट परफॉर्मेंस के लिए सिर्फ सिल्वर पंप नाम याद रखना।
સ્વાગત છે આપનું વિશેષ રજૂઆત સ્પેસ ફેક્ટર રિયલ ઇન્સાઇટમાં. હું યશ આપની સાથે. આપણે દર સપ્તાહે કોઈ એક એવા ટેકનિકલ મુદ્દાને બહુ જ આસાનીથી સરળ ભાષામાં સમજીએ છીએ. બેંગલુરુના રિયલ એસ્ટેટ માર્કેટને આપણે આ પહેલાં સમજવાની કોશિશ કરી હતી, જેમાં વધુ આપણે ચર્ચા કરીશું. આજે હાઉસઝોના ડિરેક્ટર દેવ હીરાવત આપણી સાથે જોડાઈ રહ્યા છે. देव सर, सबसे पहले तो वेलकम टू द शो एंड बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका. और बेंगलुरु मार्केट गुजरातियों के लिए स्पेशली थोड़ा सा नया है, तो किस प्रकार की अपॉर्चुनिटीज बेंगलुरु मार्केट लेकर आ रहा है? देव सर, वहां से शुरुआत करें.
See, I am into real estate from last 32 years.
जी.
Bangalore is not expanded, it is exploded because of few industries. A lot of industries are coming up in Andhra, like Kia Motor and Chandrababu Naidu offered 10,000 acres to HAL. Rolls-Royce has recently come up. Toyota, Volvos are already there in Bangalore. And because of that, because good employment opportunities, so people are migrating from across the world, apart from India. From all sectors, people are coming from technical side, IT side, hotel industry, tourist industry. And because this is a cosmopolitan city, no? And people need entertainment, which other cities are lacking, like Hyderabad or even Ahmedabad. I have been many times. There is no entertainment facility, no nightlife. In Bangalore, we have got this kind of facilities everywhere. And because of like iPhone factory has come up recently in 300 acres of land, and other industries are in the line, no? That's why there's a huge demand in real estate in all kind of, and all the corporate like Tata, Godrej, Birla, they have shown their big presence in Bangalore. That's why it is growing like anything.
So, sir, I would like to understand is that how much big of an opportunity is Bangalore real estate market right now? The reason I am asking this question is because there are lately some discussions in India's real estate market about being a peak, or maybe the real estate market is not moving that much. Do you think Bangalore real estate market is somewhat different from Indian real estate market, sir?
No, because here the real growth is because of big industries entering into Bangalore, because the climate is good and there is no language problem. Hindi, English is well spoken by right from auto driver to taxi driver. For the new person, anybody walking into staying in big hotel to a small hotel, they don't feel any uncomfortable like other states. That's the main reason people are migrating. Apart from that, this is a very big education hub, from engineering college to medical college. So people are coming and settling down here.
Okay. Dev sir, one more area I would like to understand is that जो हैदराबाद वाला हाईवे है, आपने जैसे किया मोटर्स की बात की, एंटरटेनमेंट जोन की आपने बात की, तो वो जो एरिया है, वो जो हाईवे है, बेसिकली वो काफ़ी अच्छे से डेवलप हो रहा है. थोड़ा समझाइए सर, व्हाई हैदराबाद हाईवे इज in demand right now if we talk about Bangalore real estate market, sir?
Because in Bangalore, big area of land like 5,000, 10,000 acres are not available.
Okay.
But if you just cross the Bangalore after Bagapalli, enter into Hyderabad, there is 10,000, 20,000, even 50,000 acres of land available. And Chandrababu Naidu is, you know, as a very aggressive CM, is willing to allot. Recently, they have launched about 23,000 of industrial park near Kadikonda, which is about 120 kilometers. And BL has come, and bullet train he has announced. And the bullet train is going to start from Hyderabad to this Kia factory to Bangalore, then Chennai. So these kind of visionary leaders are there. That's why, and because the Andhra climate is very hot, so people prefer to stay in Bangalore. That's why there is a huge demand of plotted development, villa, apartment, and there are hundreds of developers in Bangalore.
So, what kind of projects you think people are having more demand in, more interested maybe in? Plotted developments are also there, and there are apartments also. What kind of products Houseau is offering right now?
We are mainly into affordable segment of plotted development, and we are coming up with 2-3 new projects in Whitefield, Sokia, STRR, Malur, Postcote H Cross. Already we are doing 3 projects, which is 2 of them are completed. One is now on the running stage, which is very good. Compared to Devanhalli, where the prices has gone up to 5,000, 10,000 rupees square feet, our prices are much reasonable. That's why people are buying from us.
Okay, thank you so much, Dev sir, for connecting with us and sharing all this information. Thank you, sir. તો
Thank you.
દર્શક મિત્રો, આપણે આજે સમજી રહ્યા હતા બેંગલુરુના રિયલ એસ્ટેટ માર્કેટને ફરી એક વખત નવું નજીકથી સમજવાની અને વધુ સારી રીતે સમજવાની કોશિશ કરી છે. આ સાથે જ આ કાર્યક્રમમાં હાલ બસ આટલું જ. મને યશને આપશો રજા. આગળના અપડેટ્સ માટે આપ જોતા રહો ન્યૂઝ કેપિટલ ગુજરાત.
Co-powered by Space Factor, rewarded realty experience.